it's Neve here in Tully Nurseries. I'm in Tull too, and the lavenders are looking absolutely lovely. They're coming into bud in flower, particularly the French lavenders on my right. If you want to come in closer, this is Lamorosia purple flag. It reminds me, it's the habit of an English lavender. Remember, we newly introduced it last year. Covered in buds. Look at all the buds. Gorgeous. Has the bee symbol as well, which is very important at the moment. Bees are looking for food. Lilac wings again, lovely and compact. Really good quality. Behind that we have Tiara, which I absolutely love, one of my favorites. I think it's because I like the colour of the foliage, and the flowers are really two-tone, gorgeous, really nice. We also have the gardening it's good for you symbol this year, so don't forget about that on your social media when you're at the moment. We're telling people to get out and garden. The English varieties, you all know Essence Purple, very similar to Hitcoat. We have Vera, and you'll be delighted to know that Lavender Hitcoat is back on our list. You've all been waiting for weeks for that one. It's one of the slowest growers. And behind that, if you want something a bit more vigorous, here's some Munstead, which are really good size at the moment. So whether you're selling online or offering a local delivery service, everyone seems to be wanting lavender at the moment. There's so many benefits to lavender. Not only is it good for you, it's scented, it's really nice. It's one of those plants, it's a must-have in every garden. So if you can push it at the moment and if you need some pictures for your workshop, let me know and I'll email them to you.